How to hide likes you have made on Instagram Reels and post. In order to do so, you may follow up these simple steps. First of all, open up Instagram app, and from here you may log in and navigate to your profile in the bottom right corner. Tap on it in order to open it up. Now from here you may tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen and open up your settings and activity, from which you need to scroll down until you reach over to this what you see section, where you will be finding this option of like and share counts. So just go ahead and tap on it, and then once you tap on it, you just need to turn this option of hide likes and share accounts, which will be also applied to thread if you have opened your thread account. So you can just go ahead and toggle this option of hide like and share accounts, and when toggled on, other users will not be able to see the number of likes on your post and reels. And that is it. On Instagram, the number of likes and posts and reels from other account will be hidden if you turn this on. And you can hide the number of likes on your own post reels by going to advanced settings before sharing. So you can also head over to personal post as well. For example, this, tap on the three dot at the top, and from here we have this option of hide like count. Tap on it, and you can individually also hide like by going to the post and following up those methods. So that is it. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.